Let me show you how to upload loads from Amazon using a CSV file in ezLoads. This functionality was primarily designed for Amazon files, but it can also be used for any type of load, as long as your data follows the ezLoads template. To get started, click the gear icon on the right side of the screen and select Import Loads. From here, you can either download the template or upload your file right away. But before uploading, there are a few important things to check to make sure everything imports correctly. If you are working with Amazon, the standard trips CSV file is already supported, so you can upload it without any changes. If needed, you can also add a broker in the last column. Just make sure the broker name matches exactly how it appears in ezLoads. For example, Amazon, Amazon Incorporated, or Amazon National. If the name matches, the broker will be automatically assigned during import. The same applies to drivers. The name in your file must match the driver name in ezLoads exactly, including spelling. When it does, the driver will be assigned automatically. Here is an option to group Amazon loads into trips or keep them as separate loads, depending on your workflow. Please note that the system processes up to 100 rows per file. Any rows beyond that limit will not be imported. When you are ready, click to upload, choose your file, and then select Upload. Click Import to begin. Once started, the import cannot be stopped. The process runs in the background and may take a few minutes, depending on the file size. You will see a progress bar on the right side of the screen showing the status, and you will be notified once it is complete. Here are the results. Some loads may fail if data is missing. You can also click View Details to see the exact error message for each load. For Amazon loads, failures are often due to missing facility locations. Each stop uses a facility code, and if it's not in the ezLoads data library, the load won't be imported. To review the results in more detail, you can click Download Reports to see which loads were not processed. To resolve location-related issues, go to Data Library, Open Locations, and just click New and add any missing facilities. This only needs to be done once. After that, the system will recognize those facilities automatically in future imports. Each import is also assigned a unique ID. You can copy this ID and paste it into the search bar to quickly find all loads from that import batch. And that's it! If you need any assistance, just give us a call or email us at support@ezloads.net.